Hello students, welcome back to the session. We were talking about the simplification of Boolean expressions in the last class. So let us continue with that. We shall solve some more problems here. One other problem, x bar y bar z plus x bar yz plus xy bar. Now let us consider the first two statements, first two expressions values. What is common between these two? X bar is the same and z is the same. So let us take that as common, x bar z. Open the brackets. What is left out now? It is y bar plus left out is y. Then plus xy bar. So that is x bar z. What is y bar plus y? You have from the complement rule, that is x plus x bar is equal to 1, right? So what does this become now? Y plus y bar is 1 plus xy bar. So this becomes x bar z plus xy bar. So we'll leave as it is. This is the final expression or the simplification of the given expression. Now next sum, x plus x bar y equals x plus y. You have to prove that x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. Now according to the distributive law, let us simplify this. X plus x bar into x plus y equals x plus y. LHS. This is your LHS. Okay. So what is x plus x bar? As we had said here, 1. Right. So 1 into x plus y equals x plus y. So x plus y equals x plus y. LHS is the same as RHS. Okay, you solved it. Next sum, z into y plus z into x plus y plus z. Now for this, let us solve this first or simplify this first. So this becomes, multiply this, remove the brackets. So z into y plus z into z and then x plus y z. So now this z into z, as we had said in the last session, a into a equals a, right? In the same way, z into z becomes z. So z y plus z into x plus y z. So what does this become now? Zy plus z. This is similar to your x plus xy equals x. You have the absorption law. In the same way, you have this. This is in the form of x plus xy. Right, x plus xy. If you have got a confusion, you can take the common factor also. So that is z. Both the common is z into y plus 1 into x plus y z. So this becomes z, y plus 1 is 1 into x plus y z. Right. So now this is z into x plus sorry, I am making a mistake here. It is x plus y plus z plus z y plus z. Okay. So now the next, multiply x into z, right, plus y z plus z into z. You have removed the brackets. So z into z becomes z here. So this becomes xz plus yz plus z. So what is common among all these three? It is z. So take z as a common factor, x plus y plus 1. So now z into y plus 1 is the same as 1. So again x plus 1 is the same as 1. So the final answer is z. Okay, that is a simplified answer for you. In the same way, let us go for the next sum. A bar plus b into a plus b. remove the brackets and simplify. So multiplication, a bar into a plus a bar into b plus a into b plus b into b. A bar into a bar into b, a into b, b into b. Okay, so a into a bar, according to the complementary law, x into x bar is equal to 0. Similarly, this becomes 0 plus a bar b plus a into b plus b, because b into b equals b. So this becomes a bar b plus ab plus b. Now, what is common among all these here? It is b, right? So take out the common factor. It becomes a bar plus a plus 1, right? So now b into a bar plus a plus 1 is similar to a x plus 1 equals, yes, 1, sorry, x plus 1 equals 1. So this is 1. In the same way, a bar plus 1 is also 1. So b into 1. So this is nothing but b. That is the final answer. Next sum, similarly, x bar, y bar, z bar plus x bar, y, z bar plus x, y bar, z bar plus x, y, z bar. Okay, so now can take two terms and then solve also. So what is common here? X bar, z bar is common. So what remains here? Y bar plus y plus, again x and z bar is common here. X z bar into y bar plus y. So this becomes x bar z bar, y plus y bar, x plus x bar is 1 plus x z bar, y plus y bar is 1. So this becomes x bar z bar plus x z bar. So what is common here? Z bar into x bar plus x. So what does this become? X plus x bar becomes 1. So the answer is z bar. And one more sum, a b bar c d bar plus a b bar c d plus a b c d bar plus a b c d. Again, take the common factors, a b bar c. What remains? D bar. From here it is d plus, what is common here? A b c, a b c, a b c, d bar plus d. So this becomes a b bar c, d plus d bar becomes 1 plus a b c, d bar plus d becomes 1. So the answer is a b bar c plus a b c. Now what is common in this? A and c, a and c. So ac remains b bar plus b. Again this becomes ac, b plus b bar is 1. So the answer is a into c. Okay, in a similar way we solve the Boolean expressions, or we simplify the Boolean expressions. Now let us go for simplification of Boolean expression using De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so the first sum, a plus bc plus a b, and this has a plus bc has got a bar, b has got a bar, ab has got a bar, and the whole term. Now we know the rule, x plus y the whole bar is the same as x bar into y bar, and x into y the whole bar is the same as x bar plus y bar. This is your De Morgan's theorem. We are going to use this concepts here. Now we are just writing once again, ABC plus AB bar the whole bar. Now what we are going to consider? We are going to consider this as one term and this as the other term with this plus, because you have the common part here. So what does this become? X plus, this is your x and this will be your y. So you have to get the answer, x plus y the whole bar equals x bar into y bar. So what is the value of x now? A plus bc the whole bar. You have got one more bar here, that is bar. Plus becomes into. So y bar. What is y? A bar, b bar, b bar. Okay, this is your x bar into y bar now. Similarly, now this becomes, you can directly also write here, if you know the involution law, that x double bar is equal to x, right? So a plus b the double bar will be equal to a plus bc. Okay, now here similarly you have a, okay, what is this, a bar, b bar, okay, sorry, this a bar is for the whole thing, right? So b bar, a the whole bar. Okay, now so AB has got two bars here. So this will be like A B bar, because B is one similar two. Instead of these two bars, you have got you have removed that double. So this is one bar that remains as it is. So now A plus BC into A B bar. Now we are applying the distributive property. So simplification of this brackets, remove the brackets. So A into A B bar plus BC into A B bar. Okay, so what is A into A becomes A B bar plus B into B bar is 0. That is x bar is 0, complementary law. So that becomes C into A into 0, B B bar. So this becomes A B bar, because this again is plus 0. So the answer is A B bar. This is your answer. Okay. Similarly, let us go for one more sum, that is A plus BC bar the whole bar. Now let us break up the smallest, that is this BC. So this becomes A plus, this is in the form of BC the whole bar, that is x into y the whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. You have to write it in this way. So B bar plus C bar the whole bar you have now, right? So what does this become now? You are breaking the bars now. This is in the form of A plus B plus C. This is in the form of x plus y plus z the whole bar, that is three variables. It becomes x bar into y bar into z bar. In a similar way, we are going to break up this point also. So that will be A bar into B. B has got two bars now, into C also has got two bars, because this is already present here. This was your y and this was your z. So what does it become? A bar into B double bar means B, C double bar means C. So the answer is A bar B C. Okay. Okay, the next sum, x bar y bar plus x y bar the whole bar. Solve it in a similar way. This is your x. Okay, this is your y. Let us consider this as x and this as y. That is x plus y the whole bar. This is in the form of x plus y the whole bar equals x bar into y bar. So what are we considering x as? X bar y bar is x. So x bar y bar the whole bar into y bar. This is your y. X y bar the whole bar. Okay. So what does this become now? X bar. This is in the form of, again, this is your x and this is your y. So x y, this is your x, y the whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar, right? So this becomes x bar, this was your x bar plus y bar into, similarly this is in the form of x into y the whole bar equals x bar plus y bar. Okay, so we are going to take now, this is your x and y bar is your y. So this becomes x bar plus y double bar. So what is x double bar? Is just x. Y double bar is just y into x bar plus y double bar is again y. Now simplify. That is, remove the brackets. X into x bar plus x into y plus x bar into y plus y into y. So as we know, due to the complementary law, x into x bar is 0 plus xy plus x bar y plus y into y is y. Right? So this becomes xy plus x bar y plus y. What is the common factor in this? It is y and x plus x bar plus 1. So this becomes x bar plus 1 is 1. Again y into x plus 1 is 1. The answer is y. Okay. Let us solve two more sums here in a similar manner and then we'll stop. X y bar z plus x bar y the whole bar. So this is in the form of x, this is your y. That is, x plus y the whole bar is equal to x bar into y bar. So this whole term is your x now. So that becomes x y bar z. This is x bar into y is your x bar y bar. So that is y bar. Again, this is in the form of x into y into z the whole bar. So this becomes x bar plus y has got double bar plus z bar, right, into this is again x into y the whole bar. That is x double bar plus y bar. So this is now x bar plus y double bar becomes y plus z bar into x double bar is x plus y bar. So now you have simplified this. Remove the brackets and multiply. X bar into x plus x bar into y bar plus x into y plus y into y bar plus x into z bar plus y bar into z bar. Right? X into x bar, as we said, it becomes 0 plus x bar y bar plus xy. Again y into y bar becomes 0 plus x z bar plus y bar z bar. So x bar y bar plus xy plus x z bar plus y bar z bar is your answer. And this way we are going to solve the expressions using De Morgan's theorems. Let us end the session here and let us go for the next session. We learn about min terms and max terms and K mapping. Thank you.